In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download tax forms in HoneyBook, Tax Documents 2026. Getting your tax paperwork in order should be fast and stress-free, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click to grab everything you need from HoneyBook. First, open your preferred browser and go to honeybook.com. On the homepage, choose Log In and sign into your HoneyBook account. Enter your credentials as you normally would. And if you're prompted for any security verification, like a code sent to your device, go ahead and complete that step so HoneyBook can confirm it's really you. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this as your command center. It summarizes your activity and gives you quick access to the tools you use most. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. This sidebar is where you'll find all the key sections of your account. From that left navigation, click Finance. This opens the financial area where HoneyBook groups your money-related tools. Next, select Tax Hub. The Tax Hub is the dedicated place for your tax forms and reports, so you don't have to dig around in different projects to find the right files. At the top of the Tax Hub page, you'll see a banner that says everything you need for your 2025 tax filing, along with a note that you can download all your tax forms and reports with a single click. That's your confirmation that you're in the right place. Just below that banner, look for the download button. Click download, and HoneyBook will automatically compile and download your tax documents for you. Keep an eye on your browser's downloads area. Depending on your settings, the file may save directly to your default downloads folder, or prompt you to choose a location. If the download doesn't start, check for a blocked pop-up or temporarily allow downloads from HoneyBook, then try again. After the file finishes downloading, it's a good idea to rename it with the tax year and store it in a secure folder so you can find it quickly later. If you collaborate with a bookkeeper or CPA, you can share this single download so they have everything in one package. And that's it. You went to honeybook.com, logged in, opened the finance section, entered the tax hub, and used the one-click download to grab all your tax forms and reports. Revisit the tax hub anytime you need another copy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this saved you time when pulling your tax documents.